Hello everyone, this video again about architectural sketching, and not only architecture. In this video you can see the interesting technique which combine the architectural sketching and some kind of comic book sketching. We're combining into the one drawing, and let's see how it goes. Hello, my name is Artem. I'm an architect and designer. Also, I am an artist. And on this channel, I'm trying to help you become more confident in architectural drawing. I think you'll find something interesting here and find some interesting tips that you can use in your technique. And just very quickly, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget about the bell button on this channel. There are new videos every week. And of course, don't forget to give me your finger. That helps me to know that you like it, that it helps you to become more confident. And this helps me to understand that this kind of content is needed. And of course, don't forget about the field below where you can leave your comments and suggestions. And we're starting. And now you can see that on the first stage I'm trying to create the whole composition with thin lines. I'm trying to make volume in the drawing. This is very important. I'm not spending much time to create it, but several strokes and some details helps us to understand that it exists, and you can see it on the drawing. And only after that I'm trying to add some detail and the colors. As you can see, first of all I'm trying to find my point of perspective, which will help me to create the whole composition of the drawing. Right after that I begin to create the main things. So you can see the wall of the building itself in front of the drawing. So building and the wall, the main things, and after that I created some elements on the background. And you can admit that there are three stages of plans: foreground, background, and elements in the middle. So that can create the volume of the whole drawing. Sometimes drawing looks quite messy when it has pencil strokes, liner strokes, and that's why I like to erase some of the pencil strokes. Often I erase all of them. After that I add some strokes with a thin liner. I use 003 or 01 thickness of liner to add some not very important shapes, but that helps us to make the drawing more like alive, more textured. And of course I made some detail. I add some more details. When the whole composition is almost ready, I take my marker and create the first strokes, the first main strokes of the whole drawing. You can see that in this case I decided to make the sky darker than the elements on the ground, and it helps this picture looks more like from comic book. And you remember this sketch, this simple and quick sketch we create in this kind of style. It's like something mixed with traditional sketching and sketching for storytelling, storybooks and comic books. Often happens that you create some shape, some lines that you don't like, that looks weird in the certain drawing, but don't stop. It's just sketching. It's just that brings you enjoyment. Forget about it. The next time you will do everything to not do this mistake. Don't be scared when you do something a little bit wrong. It's okay. Just don't stop and continue. This is because you like it. I think you like it, because if you're on this channel and watching this video, I know that you like it, and that's why you're trying to improve. So I hope you found something interesting for you, some tips that you can use in your drawings, and if not, please leave your suggestion or comments in the field below. And if you like the video, give me your finger, and if you want to see other videos, please subscribe the channel and use the bell button. I'm pretty happy to create this video for you, and don't forget, we're doing this because we love it, not because we have to do this. See you soon. Bye bye.